sun was shining. I was laying in bed, wondering if she changed at all, if her hair was still red. Her folks said our lives together, she was gonna be rough. Never did like Mama's homemade dress, Papa's bank book wasn't big enough. And I was standing on the side of the road, rain falling on my shoes. Headed up on the East Coast, God knows I paid some dues getting through. Tangled up in you. She was married when we first met, soon to be divorced. I helped her out of a jam, I guess, but I used a little too much force. We drove that car as far as we could, abandoned it out west. Split up on the rocks that night, both again a little best. Turned around and looked at me as I was walking away. I heard her say, well, I should never meet again someday on the avenue. Tangled up in you. Got a job in the great on roots, working as a cook for a spell. Never did like it all that much, and one day the ice just fell. I went to New Orleans where I was looking to be employed, working for a while on a fishing boat right outside Dublin Road. All the time I was alone, the past was close back. I seen a lot of women, but she never escaped my mind. Stopping for a beer, I just kept looking at the side of her face and spotlight so clear. Later on, the joint cleared out, I was just about to do the same. She was standing there in the back of the chair saying, don't I know your name? But there's something on my breath, she stuck the light to my face. I must have been a little bit, put your hands down the tiny face, in my shoes.
said there was music in the cafes at night and furnishing together. Oh, and then it started dealing with slaves, something inside of her died. She had to sell everything she owned, she froze up inside. Finally, when the bottom fell out, I became drawn. The only thing I knew how to do was to keep on keeping on like a bird that flew. Tangled up in blue. No, I'm going back again. I gotta get to her somehow. All the people you used to know usually do. Oh, some are mathematicians, some are carpenters' wives. Don't know how it all got started, but they look at it. I'm still